stay dreaming on. You know that I got the hopes and dreams, hopes and dreams, hopes and dreams. You know that I stay dreaming on. You know that I stay dreaming.
Welcome back. Today, we're exploring the art of content marketing. Content marketing involves creating and sharing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience. In this video, we'll discuss how you can leverage content marketing to enhance your online presence and engage your audience effectively. Creating compelling content. Compelling content lies at the heart of content marketing. To capture your audience's attention, focus on creating high-quality, informative, and entertaining content that aligns with your target audience's interests and needs. Utilize a mix of formats such as blog posts, videos, infographics, and podcasts to cater to different preferences. Understanding your audience. Understanding your audience is crucial for crafting content that resonates with them. Conduct thorough research to identify your target audience's demographics, interests, pain points, and preferred content consumption platforms. This knowledge will help you create content that delivers value and drives engagement. Distribution and promotion strategies. Creating great content is just the first step. You also need to ensure it reaches your target audience. Develop a distribution and promotion strategy that includes social media sharing, guest blogging, email marketing, and collaboration with influencers or industry partners. Maximize your content's visibility and reach through strategic dissemination. Measuring content marketing success. Measuring the success of your content marketing efforts is essential to evaluate the effectiveness of your strategy. Monitor key metrics like website traffic, social media engagement, conversion rates, and subscriber growth. Analyze these metrics to gain insights into your audience's preferences and refine your content strategy accordingly. Content marketing is a powerful tool for attracting, engaging, and retaining your target audience. By creating compelling content, understanding your audience, strategically promoting your content, and measuring your success, you can unlock the true potential of content marketing. Stay tuned for more content marketing insights on our channel. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.
Man, I got hopes and dreams, hopes and dreams, hopes and dreams. You know that I stay dreaming. You know that I stay dreaming on.